Leon, I want to talk about the character of this bear market, and you and I do that with a bond overlay we've never seen, which is bond price down, yield up. The losses in bonds are extraordinary. How does that redound over to a stock bear market?
Well, actually, I would taking a slightly different approach. I'm shocked that interest rates are as low as they are. You know, for most of my career, there was a real return associated with buying a bond. The bond nominal yield was in excess of inflation. We have an inflation rate in this country that's called 8%. You have real growth, a couple percent. So you have nominal GDP growing at 10%, and you have the 10-year bond at 3%. Makes no sense. And that makes everything in the stock market look attractive.
The stock market looks attractive. What part looks attractive to you, or are you in the triple leveraged all cash fund?
No, I'm of the view that equities are the best house in the financial asset neighborhood, but I don't like the neighborhood for a lot of reasons. So I have a cautious view. I've been a seller on strength and not a buyer on weakness. I think that ultimately the price of oil or the Fed or maybe the strong dollar will lead us into a recession. And when the recession hits, which will be a 2023 event when it hits, not 2022, that the market will find the bottom somewhere between 35 and 40% below its peak of 4,800. And I think coming on the program and having, a cautious view is not value added. So I differentiate myself. I talk about the Pharaoh. You know, I don't know what you know about the Bible, Tom, but the Pharaoh had a dream. The dream was interpreted by Joseph. And the dream was we were going to have 7 lean years following the 7 fat years. I'm not making a 7-year forecast, but what I'm saying is I would be very, very surprised if we went into a new bull market anytime soon. And we've just been through the most speculative period in our financial history. You know, SPACs, would-be, FANGs, zero commission, zero interest rates. We just saw an extraordinary speculative period, and we're not going into a bull market anytime soon.
Lisa, what's